Hello, I'm Dr. Dainik Patel, medical oncologist from Australia. Today we are unpacking one of the most common fears about clinical trials. Am I going to be guinea pig? Let me reassure you, you are not a guinea pig. I will explain what is clinical trial, what are the safety mechanisms in trial, and what are the benefits of the trial. Let's find out what is a clinical trial. A clinical trial is not a just experiment. It's a carefully designed study built to test whether a new treatment is safe, effective, and hopefully better than what we already have. Every clinical trial starts with a simple but a powerful question. Can we do better? Can we treat this cancer more effectively? Can we reduce the side effects? Can we give people more time and better quality of life? But before that idea can even reach, a person must pass through the layer of protection. In fact, before any treatment is even allowed into the human trial, it must go through extensive safety testing in a lab and in carefully designed models to meet strict international standards. And here, something powerful to remember. Every treatment we rely on today, chemotherapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapy, once started as a question in clinical trial. The reason they exist, the reason they save lives now is because people before you said yes to be a part of clinical trial, and I immensely think that's how progress happened. One trial, one patient, one brave step at a time. Now, let's talk about three layers of safety. Firstly, the ethical and regulatory layer. There is an independent oversight before a trial starts. Every clinical trial must pass multiple levels of review before a single patient can be enrolled. Like Human Research Ethics Committee, that is called HREC, or an Institutional Review Board or IRB, assess the trial to ensure the design is scientifically valid and ethically sound. No patients will receive inferior care, only the standard of care or a potential better option. If the trial involves a new drug or a device, it must also be pre-approved by national regulators like Therapeutic Goods Australia or Food and Drug Administration in USA or European Medical Agency. The first layer guarantees that trial begins only when they meet strict ethical and safety standards with scientific question in mind. Secondly, the rigorous trial design and independent monitoring during the trial are designed to minimize risk and maximize fairness through carefully planning and real-time oversight. The trial design include stopping rules. The trial stops early if harm or very clear benefit is detected. Secondly, there has to be a control arm to bring drug into the routine practice. The treatment need to be compared with current standard of care or in some cases placebo if no standard of care exists. There is a data safety monitoring board provide independent safety check throughout the trial at different time point. They monitor any unexpected outcome or a side effect. This second layer ensure the trial adapt to protect patients, not just test treatments. And thirdly, there is ongoing participant protection. Throughout the trial, participants are protected by the strict rules around consent, execution of protocol, safety and privacy. Now, informed consent, which is the prerequisite to get into the trial, required a clear explanation of the risk, any previous results, or any benefits. There is a freedom of withdrawal at any time without any penalties. Safety is continuously monitored. Trial run according to the strict safety protocol, which include extra monitoring to ensure capture side effect very early. All side effects and adverse events are recorded according to the international grading. They are assessed and managed promptly. Confidentiality is very critical in the trial. Your data is de-identified Even the drug companies only see anonymized results. Importantly, all trial results, good or bad, must be publicly available so the global medical community can learn from. Now, let's talk about the benefit of the trial. When patients hear the clinical trial, they often imagine risk, but many are surprised to learn about the benefits too. So, why do many people choose to join a trial or even the travel to get into the trial? Firstly, the trial requires a very rigorous screening. Before a trial begins, patients go through the detailed assessment. This isn't to exclude them, it to ensure they are strong enough to participate and safety for them. Think of it as a safety filter so no one is put at risk unnecessarily. Close medical monitoring. Trial patients often receive more frequent checkups, skin, and the blood tests than standard of care. Every change is checked and tracked. Every concern is addressed early. It's like having a magnifying glass on your health with the team watching very closely. Now, this is the most important point. Try allow access to new treatment. Many trials offer access to breakthrough therapies years before they are widely available. These are often cutting-edge drugs or a combination designed to target cancer more precisely or reduce side effect. For example, immunotherapy was available to my patients almost 5 years earlier than that it became available for general patients. And lastly, there is no cost to the patients. In most trials, the treatment, extra visit, and the test are completely free, sometimes even supported with the travel reimbursement. This can reduce the financial pressure while offering a new chance and hope. So, when you hear about a trial, don't think as a last resort. Think as a close care, early access, and a team fighting with you. If a trial is an option for you, I encourage and request to talk openly to your oncologist. It could be an opportunity worth exploring. There are also publicly available portal to find out about the clinical trial and also to access what are the trials around your place of residence. Thank you for watching Oncology Unpacked, bringing you clarity, confidence, and courage in your cancer journey. Please like, share, or subscribe, and drop your question in or a comment below. Thank you.